Good morning Year 3, it is Friday the 27th of March and here is your maths lesson for today. So we are looking at representing numbers and the different ways in which we can represent numbers. So let's choose a number to begin with and then look at all the different ways we can represent that number. So let's take the number 324. Here is my number. And the first thing I can do is I can write this number in words. So 300 and 24. That's my first way. The second thing I can do is think about what this number looks like. So I could use my place value counters. So 100, 200, 300, and speed this up a little bit, 20 here actually, make it really clear, 320, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I could use my place value counters. That's the second way of showing my number. The other thing I could use is I could use our arrow cards. That's exactly the same principle as our place value counters. So we've got 324, which when I layer them up, looks like this. There's a third way that we can write our number. Next way would be perhaps our base 10. Okay? We have been practicing in class drawing base 10 in our books to help us. So for the hundreds, we use our big squares. 1, 2, 3. We've got 2 10s. So we do our 6 for our 10s. And then our 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. Remember, we're just drawing these to help us work it out. They are not a piece of art, so we don't have to worry about making them all the same size or sketching them perfectly or having straight edges or even using a ruler. We can just draw these freehand because they're there to help us. The other thing we can do is to use our place value grid. So hundreds, tens, and ones, and I can show my number in my place value grid in a number of ways. I can draw place value counters in here, so we have 3 hundreds, and to help me I can put 100 in each counter, just to remind me of the value. 2 tens is 20, and then 4 ones. 324. Also using the place value grid, I could use a tally. So 1, 2, 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Remember, there are lots of ways to represent numbers. Lots of these representations separate the parts of the number down, and that is called partitioning. So another way in which we can do that is using our part-whole model. So we start with the whole, 324, and we break it down into its parts. We've got 300, we have 20, and we have 4. That's our part-whole model. We can also represent this number as a calculation. Based on this part-whole model, we can put 300 plus 20 plus 4 as a calculation. So you've got a few suggestions there of the different ways in which we can represent numbers. You might also think about how you can represent numbers in terms of money, for example. How would you represent 120? So you might use £1 coin because a pound is equal to 100 pence, and and you might use 120 pence, and that would equal 120. So for the number 324, if I draw myself another arrow over here, I could draw myself 3 £1 coins, and then think about how I'd represent the 20, draw myself a 20p, and 4 1p coins, and that could be another way of representing our number. So there's lots of different ways of representing numbers. Don't forget to have a look in your home learning pack for this knowledge organiser. Knowledge organiser's got some key vocabulary down the side, the spelling. It shows you base 10 representation in a place value grid, base representation here, place value counters, and then we've also got the part whole model, the tally model, plenty of suggestions there, plenty of examples to help you with your learning today.